English conversation practice.
Hey baby, how was your day?
It was all right. Nothing special. How about yours?
Pretty good, but I missed seeing your smile today. Can we plan a dinner date soon?
Aw, that's sweet. I'd love that. How about Friday night?
Perfect. I will make a reservation at that Italian place you love.
Sounds amazing. You always know how to spoil me.
Only because you deserve it. Beautiful. Plus, I get to stare into those gorgeous eyes of yours all night.
Stop it. You're making me blush, but seriously. I can't wait for Friday.
Me neither. It will be a night to remember, just like every moment with you.
Ugh, you're such a charmer. I'm the luckiest girl in the world.
And I am the luckiest guy. Can't wait to hold your hand across the table on Friday.
Counting down the days already? I love you.
Love you more, always and forever.
Oh, have you been thinking about what you want to eat on Friday?
I've been craving some creamy pasta lately, but I'm open to suggestions.
Creamy pasta it is then, and maybe we can share a tiramisu for dessert.
Yes, please. You know me too well. But only if you promise not to steal all the whipped cream this time.
Deal. I will even let you have the last bite.
Ah, how generous of you. So, what else is new with you?
Well, I have been thinking about our upcoming anniversary. Any ideas on how we should celebrate?
Oh, I've got a few ideas up my sleeve, but it's a surprise. So, you'll have to wait and see.
You are killing me with your anticipation. I will just have to trust that it will be as amazing as you are.
It will be, I promise, just like every moment we spend together.
I couldn't agree more. You make every day feel like a celebration.
You're such a romantic. You know that.
Good yet charged, but only because I have the most incredible girlfriend in the world.
Flattery will get you everywhere, mister. But seriously, I feel the same way about you.
Then we are both pretty lucky, aren't we?
The luckiest? I'm so grateful to have you in my life.
Right back to you, sweetheart. Now, how about we finish planning our date and then cuddle up on the couch?
Best idea I've heard all day. Let's do it.
Alright, let's finalize our dinner plans. After our creamy pasta and tiramisu feast, what do you say we take a stroll by the waterfront?
That sounds lovely. I always enjoy the sound of the waves and the cool breeze.
Perfect, and maybe we can stop by that little gelato place you adore for some dessert around too.
Oh, you read my mind. Gelato by the water sounds like a dream.
Then it's settled. Pasta, tiramisu, and waterfront stroll. And gelato is shaping up to the perfect evening.
Absolutely. I can't wait to make more memories with you.
Me neither. Every moment with you is a special. But I have a feeling Friday night will be on for the book.
I couldn't agree more. And hey, who knows? Maybe we'll even catch a shooting star.
With you by my side, anything is possible. But even if we don't, just being together is enough for me.
You always know just what to say. I'm the luckiest girl alive.
And I am the luckiest guy. Now let's finish planning and then snuggle up for some Netflix. Deal?
Deal? I love you.
Love you more. Let's make Friday unforgettable.